What are you doing? I'm painting. Okay, well, it smells like marijuana in here. Okay, so explain that. Is it in the wall or something here? In the wall? Mom, it's the paint. Oh, it's the paint? It smells like lies. Are you serious? Let me find out.
Oh, my sound doesn't really work, that's why.
Y'all wanna know what's crazy? Guys don't know how to unclip a bra, but they sure do know how to do everything else behind your back. Alright, good talk.
Okay, this is how you get your boyfriend not to go out with his friends. The opposite. Always do the opposite. Babe!
What?
Come here!
What? I'm getting ready.
Where you going?
I'm about to go out with my boys. Ooh, you looking so good right now, girl.
Oh my god. Say hi to the camera.
What's up? What's up?
But, okay. Well, where you going? Where were your friends?
I'm about to just, I don't know, hang out with my boys.
Okay.
Go for a ride. Whatever.
Alright, have fun. Have fun.
What do you mean? Have fun?
Do you need money?
No.
Okay. Have fun. Call me whenever you're done.
Is this do you not care?
No, it's fun. No, I'm serious. Have fun. Go.
Dude,
what are you still doing here?
Why do you want me gone?
Go. You're good. Go out with your friends. This is not a prank.
I'm not going anywhere. Fuck that up.
When you go to the doctors to get checked for coronavirus, but it's just herpes.
My friend.
Hey guys, it's Charlie and I'm super excited to be sharing with you my first ever YouTube video on my YouTube channel.
Where was my father conceived?
I probably was in a canoe.
Mom, why can't orphans play baseball? Because they can't find home.
Oh, what the fuck?
Oh, excuse me? Oh, that's me? Oh man, it ain't nothing but a couple $1,000. Thank you. How you doing today?
I know way too many people here right now that I didn't know last year. Who the fuck are y'all?
Telling at the boom to the line, don't about the beans on the bank, into the big thing at the back. I do when you lick the bomb, think open the seat in the bomb.
My
music shouldn't even be that loud. I shouldn't be able to hear
You've
your
been singing for the last 30 hours.
I shouldn't be able to hear your music loud. I don't understand.
Shut up. Loud.
Shut up.
Oh,
Shut up.
You
You loud.
You loud. Like, I don't understand why you loud.
My bad, y'all. Let me see your phone.
When you talk like that, you make a nigga go mad. Doritos, Sochitos, and you know I like me some fritos. And when you look me all in my eyes, I just see the sky.
Read it. I'm in the ghetto, ratata-tata, ah. What you doing out here with all that ass? Double check up on a Thursday afternoon, hella ass. The sun is still out. Pew, 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 pew. Hold up. Wait a minute. That's a chopper. Bruh, cat. That's a chopper. Hold up. Wait a minute. Oh, nigga, that's a 22.
How am I gonna wake up from my slumber, famished as fuck, think I'm about to chow down on some croissants, some buttery ass croissants? So I walk into the kitchen, open up the refrigerator, that bitch cleared out, fam, cleared out. And I hear out the corner of my ear a bunch of rats nibbling. So I turn around and I see my sister swallowing them bitches whole, not even enjoying the buttery croissant. So I had to do what I do best, and I got buck wild up in that bitch. I turned my house into WWE Raw the way I was body slamming my sisters. I got one of them talking backwards. Don't touch my croissants, cuz.